How do I put on a wand attachment? Is it simple? Is it easy? How do I interchange one? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do just that. So how do you put on a wand attachment? Is it really hard? Is it simple to do? Absolutely. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put on a wand attachment from the EasyToys wand collection. Here we have the EasyToys wand vibrator. Of course you can use it by itself, but it's even more exciting to put a wand attachment on. So make sure completely that your wand vibrator is dry and completely clean. Next we have a pink wand attachment from the EasyToys wand collection. Now because the material is stretchy and made of a soft flexible silicone, this really does help to put it on. So gently encase it over as demonstrated. Gently push it down until it comes to a complete stop. That way you know the wand attachment is on. And it's ready to go. The wand attachment will stay in place, and as you can see, this wand attachment has lots of ribbing on the shaft and also features stimulating knobs just here to effortlessly stimulate the clitoris and both vagina as well. To remove the attachment, gently pull, and you can also push it off the sides as well. And it's now off. Make sure to wash after every use. This includes both the wand attachment and the wand vibrator itself. We recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. You can also use mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. Did you find that video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not put your comment below and we'll take a look at it for you.